Okay, eti e come money law sir. Ye patch say.
Nyame obo wi ase ne mrada ho. Ani eni ntina sebe hu obema unse we obema de ntia the body system no structure no normal be ho a it me expected from sanipa no.
Okay.
And sebe minti say obema for your funu minyanti bio. Na bosume nkuro o de fa bofra no na wa no man no for minyanhu bi. This do ho dia. That is what the mrato ho say we obema normal way na wo say hu ho.
All right.
Won say wo sori anopa awia say zu amu na awia dey eba.
All right.
You nanson. Bosume no kra na say duasa. I finish so kra no be 365 days. Won say there are laws bibia hu bia no and I say everything that you see emrana de ne bae and at the same time as emrano and I say be edenam enti se woni mra hu bibia na say bibia woni hu mra no utimi ye.
Okay, enti de wo kan say asase we so no emra na nyame de ye bibia enti se woni bibi hu mra emma hu de obeye ena wo kan say me hu be ma wonyem da e be say emra ma hu kwan say be ma be nyem.
That's right.
Enti sanso na sikanso e wo ne mra ene ne nhihye ai sese wo hu na ma wotimi ehu e kwan be fa so a wo de be di djuma.
Na so wo hu ne ntema
wo hu ne ntema. Okay,
o tara na wai ane na fe wo da ko shesunsu.
Okay.
Don't say yeah haro eti no studio ha
na say o ka say wo hu sika hu mra wo wan say wo de akwakọ hye sunsun say sunsun bi na e hawo na so say mra na wonni mu ntia e na ama na basa. Okay,
into the studio ha me sure say engineers o mo ye no o mra o mo de ye
mo de ye
we mo nice studio sound o mo ye machines bibi amra da
bibi amra da
so bu mra no so a obo say na bibi atochima.
Okay,
so
all right,
say na bibi ye de
yeah,
even maybe signal no plan for you dey enya because mra was the two radio no
ya mfa nto ho
ntiti ankasa de ye kire wo mra.
Okay,
ntiti bia wo kope obibia mu no ye mra na wo ho no ne ye kire wo.
Okay,
si ayi sisi hye no na si esiti ede nam.
All right.
Nti so ye doctor, ye carpenter, ye mason, ye mechanic.
Ni gina wo ho hyehyɛ
ya journalist awo ye mra wo.
Emra wo ho.
Si am ya me journalist ne ba o de me twagum sa so because man suya teme.
Yes.
Nti de ya kyekye ni ya kyekye mra wo bibia mu no se mo odin se mo nyeden wo de ne gina ho kwa aka so wonya because o want ase nti.
Yeah.
Obey.
O want ase nti.
That's right.
Obetimi aye because o nimdie was ade no. Okay.
Nti sikasem no se ntoya na kyese biza won se mum emra no dodo sei
ene wo buso
ena mabuso
ana wonim
kura na wonim say usually me one na kire osika mo mra many people don't even know.
Yeah.
Say sika na kaza kura no mra ide
e wo ho
you hear so akọ school no so konya first class or pay good course or colleagues say also pay good course yeah we be for eduma
yeah
maybe tibit my obenya good course, good first, good class, 1 year juma. But still, after 30 years, 20 years,
still na brabono enkoyi. Yeah.
So brabono no mama na oni omudi akon. Sika gina ba akon. Na fa akon.
Yeah.
Na o mo maka gina so gina ba be fufuro.
Nese sika gina abrabone mi enema mienu na wa sika.
Ah, ene di aka.
Ene di aka. Okay.
Utimi so uska de na.
Di aka ni na betimi aso.
Right, timi yemre pa.
Okay.
It was oba bi ni kunu ntoka gidi ukoma ide a.
Eyeska.
Yeah.
Obe he obi si wo ja ware eyeska mi kunu ho akire no na dwuma abono me ko me yire ntimi mo me osikam
eyeska oba kokole bu sesi ye obi nice and wiem then they will soon because a draw was here to intimi to so obi kura ye adwuma na ninye ba sika no nti na adwuma no tambia we dey odegu so a wo ye adwuma no because sika no asabe wo mre nyina no se wo mra wo de bobra no and I say wo mra I do onim no emre no what is key is that u trade umre no na dia kopeska and this will be do umre so a sebe obra no na ide unkwa na so abra bo no na ide wafa so enti
okay me ba to meet you wa
yeah
okay
enti so ututu sika semi ya na timinya fa hodi
all right
o dey ase o so lot maka sa juma we menko na juma we mere meko if you have mentra and I metra me my school you kra no o mo tete me ti me yo mafiro bet me yo mafiro na ide a na esika o ka say ha professor ya ro mo che mra mai ya go bisa buska senka ya timi je mra ma
okay
the sabe the odeka no one dia odisika na ba no susuere
ewum
so o timi fo Otimi one or roll car.
Oh, yes, a for Betty. Yeah, because all the pen hobusia. A two pen hobusia on the betcha the way. Was an make us a work and pay grass me. So who quack do be car, no catch us 2 years, and answer 3 years, and answer car no, may Tony beer 10,000, but me demand 30,000. And here to bet because I was can't. Yes,
boys, was a Uber drivers or but still, whatever can be. Yeah, and I said. So obi church show na be fa so to
usika samwa waboa
wa brabo no ankasa na wo kire wo.
Yeah, it's true.
Sabe many times kwa wo jonko.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
Be chire ye. She uncle for we say. Sikari ya sebio.
Oh,
because never is no the much askele.
So it was not to make us sikari menye sika pen o ba masay o.
We don't pay with a brand here so first 10,000.
Unya
then ade. O first 100,000 unya e.
Udi na udi e.
We go on the first 10,000 ko to phone. Ba ko so de ko ware. Ba ko gare ono ko ware ko ko jibo sia. 2 years away ni jadam.
2% depend say who so because of first salary.
Yeah.
We ye adwuma sika odi ka wo de ye den.
E che mra woni mo sika. Enti se wo de party no problem.
Okay.
Ba enti na woni bi no.
What is can I party today?
Ba ko so de akoma connection mai.
Oh man and want to go.
I will do a break of a. Oh, my God, do a break at 30 years in it. And I was a calendar till 10 years. What do you see? Go for him, Scaunyansa.
Yeah.
Aha, was too quiet, but would name Scaunyansa.
Would name Scaunyansa.
Only Scaunyansa, baby. I will be.
But, Kabium.
Yes, we was
Scaunyansa. Baby, I will be a dance here.
Baby, I do be a better.
Who bet me a sit down?
That's right. When you drive here, or the Cobia, a craving out. Until enquire is because we need something here.
Nese enquire nese woni sika munim de because woni sika munim de ne sika munyansa baby adu be ko bia banyesa
obehye
shawo de because woni ho mra e na woni ho nim de nso
ba ko se Ghana eden de eden pa e sika ho nim de woni go the same Ghana nkofo bia
because we
have that that one shempo
because Kwabena mi busa se o ka se obi timi ka se Ghana eden but Lebanese for yiba.
That's right.
India for yiba. America for yiba, UK for yiba. Eti na ye na yete na da bia si o man sikadim ba onim bibi a wonim. Lebanese ni nim bibi a wonim. India for no omo aba ni nim bibi a wonim.
Se mi franka sa re wadwen mo. Eni wani.
Ye ka se obi ani afra. Enye wani. Eh wadwene. Se wadwene etimi
o ni fra bibi a wajira dia wa fa grofo juma.
Ampa
ba go so ni ate o huje. And
what you mutia?
Abraboye easy.
I like that. Say what you mutia?
Yeah.
Abraboye easy.
Freedom is in knowledge.
And until I this SOMPA rhapsody abano say, your person crop what you mutia.
Yeah.
Now what you mutia? And my life is simple.
Yeah.
Because me trans junior say, what me share will be. Now Tim say the problem now or femuno. And when you dear be and can you difficult.
That's right.
Or be you depressed.
Yeah.
Depressed now who busan say now that na ora I will hold you be at also now busan ho asama o countries ko wonim di anka we e just say easy kra wo be wo bi na ne life nyina paska wo busan say adentia because say we bus enka nipa we ko wonim di a enka we enye problem entie wo se nipa bebre na ho kire wo didwa wo ton ade but oni ska now busan say there be e sika wonim di a wonim tia every senka baby Ojina street so a waton ade ko wo sika wonim dia next time nka wo hunu no wo container but only sika wonim dia nti 10 years time wo mra no no other so street no e da so ton
na we seminar ye ko e ba ko say oton sobolo
oso ton sobolo
nkakra na wo pay box bi no di shey na nimba na ho se no nya 15,000 15,000 do dey akwaje store no dey no magu
yeah
sebe so bibi kitwa bia wo ye bia otumi nya 1 cedi 2 cedi so wo sika honim bia yema wa fe mfie mienu
wa brabo besesa ba so woni sika wonim dia besa beto ba bia wo no
a no mu da wo bia wo se 1 cedi e wo de ye 1,000 wo se na katua ni 1,000 ampa but obi de 1 cedi obobo no anya 15,000 wo de akwaje store the normal gum amamba ko so ye auditor na otie nsema ye kan ya no o se even though ye auditor na we say o basically o finance ho no makaka
yes
o say normal scan bi bro how was say no to start say o twetwetwa bi bro ani ba no so no see sika kakra
yeah
wo de akwaje is it pragia so moto ibi
e ha ba akwaje pragia ibi
to start so his can so ye and then me no ka say about 15
wow
he pay grant ni actually the same person what was the difference the knowledge and your financial knowledge here this is science kasem
ye wo sika wonim dia ye timi de sesa ye sika sam
so wa yo sika sem wow sika sem ne sesa ya woni
na se oru obi da ko de wo kan se so long as a wo ye adwuma na die so long as a wo ye adwuma
yeah
na say ye 1 cedi ne ba wonsem say ye 2 cedis ne ba wonsem say emfa wo say wo ye truck driver taxi driver wo ton ade wo adwum wo ye aban adwuma ye tua wo ka say wo ye adwuma ne nko an emfa wo ne de ba wonsem no say wo sika wo nim dia e bedroom rebi no wo bentimi adru level bi a wo bede wo ho
krobi ya kromo moska anya professionals na ifra wo
omo moska anya wo mo gugu office no
100 anya wo we need 100 mo kutesi commitment 100,000 200,000 1 million traders, farmers, those who are working constantly. Accountant, doctor, lawyer. Show. Car bar, Konoaji loan, they see that in 2 bedroom. Yeah. But because of school now, they are fentino. Yeah. Or polished. And to me, my men are Jomuna or Tomadia no Sicadebia no Sabi because of one for scanning in Onion who to one here who now so new. As soon as Scapa, but what about 20,000 on for the Sacran and can ya go be 3 card the next day. Nascan. So there's a big difference, and one of the part that you say, Sika home ran winning as a dear warrior, nobody to say, way, met him the D. So, ya out of so. Yeah, say Juma me a mason, and me and a mechanic and a mayor. Juma ni party sika bremi meet me the so adwene a wo so esese obi anya wo ne tirim se me ye mate ni se me ye driver se me ton ade se me ye madwene se ade na me ye so long as this can bremi de betimi ama betimi that's it se me ye mason ni me ye carpenter ni me ye obi a me pamade so long as this ka bremi ne de betimi ye di na mmom no wo de shawadwim so na mason de ye adwuma bai carpenter de ye adwuma bai ete ye wo say carpenter adwuma ne de entimi ma wo nye mason adwuma na truck driver de e de taxi driver de uber driver de wo wo sanjene ne de a na mmom wo agye bi wo timi say wei betimi ama madi yi meko na me ton no e betimi ama madi yi banche na me ton no betimi ama madi yi bread na me de ne nam street mu no ebetimi ama medie wonya sa first mindset no a eno ano no gitum said ye me ye betimi de die odofo tie ni ye gitum said ye wo ye wo betimi de die me mu na bonfia o te ase wo atimi so ton e friends e o chiba ye o kwan ho every day bia otimi ho be ya 500. Can you imagine say wo bia wo 500 cedis every day wo no wo so ontimi fanye ye? It's not possible. So it's not possible say sika na what to sika sem no ye na won't be fanye ye. So long as I said there's value for what you're creating, there's value for what you have, what you're selling. Wait me the value no chere say the part this sika be hwe obu o ha woton your friend is say yokogare
obi woton ga ye egobe
o my kwada boys ni gina ho
oton gobe yeah o my na boys ni kra chen obi ton wache. That's right, value ye the sika hwe wo so ntimi fanye ye ubi tongare nkrofo hwe sa ubi shito what you say ubi o store no ubi said nipa hia atambia bon se ne asalai yeah and say adwuma no ye didi we a plumber nkrofo frɛ otambia wo se ontimi fanye ye na de ya de se wo se wa nko school ti no ye say adwuma no yeah ampa that's a major thing wo se ai me man ko school ti na me plumber eti eye ne se plumber na nya adwuma na mmom ya ho kire bi na amana kwahye wo eti onyi ni se plumbing na wo ye de betimi amana di ba ko no ko school so packet ya so na udi bo Kwabena meba Kwabena da ko meba ye beba loss no so one odi ka my first load ye di kan but the me pese me busa no say wo ye engineering e wo school wo ko KN University no e engineering na wo ko ye eti eba ne sen na say won nam wa financial wisdom sikamu nim de because me nim say engineering de sa bre say kan nam e bia to anase bia won nam baby odi na na e chemical engineering na
agric engineer first degree and a bioprocess MSc
anti agric engineering you can say nka won nam muram anka wo tutututu ayi emie wo say yemfa duaba we eti eye den na fa de financial wisdom financial knowledge sikamu fa hodie sikamu nimde ahia wo ama wadi akira wo bu ankrofo ni titiri wo mu digwa e wo fom na e ba ne say
school no okwa general knowledge ne de ma when I also decided the episode of Abraboy.
Nessa woko degree ni mpono.
Ane.
General knowledge ne de ma.
General knowledge ne de ma. When I also be translate who say okay, me koye social science, me koye way, but Abrabo when am pesa me dey. Mebo. And me join say the difference is in the one kasa usua after school. Is not in the 4 years that they taught you in school. So, and I think people are multi-talented. Yeah.
Nessa nipa bi abehunu bi o wadoma chede bebre. Okay.
And the young kasa dey engineering me use.
Yeah.
Yes, produce normal bebre. As a matter of fact, they make engineering.
Engineering.
Why? Because these are systems.
Okay.
If you don't have system, you have 14 books.
Okay.
All right. There's no way I will bet me. Because I don't want to when you need the basic tools.
Okay.
So maybe who education is a basic tools.
Okay.
Now they bet you they also yeah.
Nessa wo call e bia wo university now ko genuine knowledge no.
Yeah.
And as I say specific knowledge kwa say bia wo ko medicine and answer whatever. Maybe economics e university. E wo ke university. Enti na wo so engineering agriculture engineering. Wo konya san knowledge no a. Knowledge ni ye genuine knowledge no na wo begina so na wo after school no wo say no. Ahana me fa as abie wani and abie wagirim am wani ate am won said the system said the wo kan ye did ba wo na wo be kire say mame fanye we na say me fanye we nti eno nche said the wo koye ye no eno aho adwuma na say wo ye
because you be pefa ho die
o pefa ho die
school no tete say ko pa adwuma ye
okay
me so dem pesa me ye no na me ntimi nya adwuma
okay
so me mame ho tete foforo na ho na fa ho die no
nti wo ma wo ho tete na say wo penim die sa enti financial knowledge no one now pay sika mu nim de no one have pesu okay
and say business e chechire no we are na kusua ye
one na kusua
but school no chira we say bia akoya agricultural engineering to bia we adwuma Nestle
okay
your food processing your waste management your agric machines
okay
no man be bro agric engineering
okay
be mu kwa construction site
okay.
or mining site and it depends on the part any industry will become
okay
you can get professional training there but mainly I don't know here okwa ya juma strictly technical skills needed to yoka entrepreneurship in it
yeah
entrepreneurship the ultimate tibom
yeah
and you go share e share fine and then share onamu
that should be measured than we din come for entrepreneurship
yeah
how we start here we first business said in city but yen samra your topic no so for now yemra money loss no ho emra edikan minim said you kan ne emra edikan a emra edikan e wo sika ho ana obi a opese wonya sika ana se sika ba wo nsam a de wo pese wo de ye a be ma e ho be ba mfaso because the minim ne say omo say say usua how to get money how to multiply the money and I say how to maintain it like how to manage it and how to multiply it say wo kwa e fa so nya sika say wo kan e kwan papa so and the sika no so ba say wo kwa e fa so tutu say sika no ena de to so me say so kwan sika no betimi anya ne bebre eti ehu nimde ne na yehia pa na boy emra edikan say me pese me nya sika ba me nsam a etimi gina meye ne demra edikan ne ye de
okay betma chembe me so sanan ba ko ye adwen ni mu de
sika wo fa adwen ho
adwen si o si ho your mindset as an individual as a person one who say when say young for no be bro ha say ya before you cry there na say before if be African consciousness you don't know any be
na say o patch say before you wa adwene bi before adwene be na we ti
when say sadly broni ba ha no no man be bro de nsa kan enti ma hu say ye nipa fully I mean it's true
that be patch gina ho opanyi Kwabena wo ben Darko gina ho wo de unim said de wo pese sika wo krom ha etu wo pese sika wo benya
sa adwe na kuta me enti sa ogitum se Ghana ye hiafo a nyame no nante but
that's a ogitum se Ghana ye hiafo a o nyame no nante ba wo de wagini mu no Ghana ye nya hiafo man
no mo man ya hia o mo a mining companies ni ade nyina adenko hia krom godo ho
dabi
ye nidi sika se hia obi a community no de ato yen nimde na yeni no
nimde na yeni no
enti wo tia na so sika se mo nye ya enye Ghana na ahia ye
enye Ghana ya wo
bibi na wonim
na
fanko a somebody said something knowledge makes a man unfit to be a slave
so obi wonimde a wo ma ho kwa mo obi mfa na kwa because wonimde
enti ohia betima fa kwa
ohia betimi afo kwa
so nimde na enti wo say wo you school at 5 years ukuro mu ye do aburo ho so we graduate
enti wonye
fa krata no koto ba bi ne kodo
ana wo ma me kura to wo ma me didwa wo ma me ton wache wo ma me eton dokono
prekese
oton prekese but wo ko school aba fa wonim die na wanya na fa beton prekese no fa beton banche no ebe ma nu kura be mu because wonim die wonim na de abeka wono ne skill no a wotimi ko fa banche free kurase beduru ebe ton nyamfa so wotimi de ahwe wo school no wo de ahwe school ayo na wo na wotimi ebe pege ba wo so wonton banche no
because ni die ni ho
nimdie ni ho
and our co school no yanchiro ko chemistry yanchiro finance no yanchiro
eyan pass one shut down co school say we koye financial management and I say be we co school ko penimdie e wo kwan ye fa so etutu sika
no ka ko ye adwuma mo bi
ye de koye adwuma mo bi
ye fan create ye die accountant wo ye ntua ne ka odidi o ya accountant o ya financial expert and so pay
o ya financial expert you pay onu amu antimi fa nimdie no sa financial expert nko creative onu antimi fa pesca
because eno no ye nkyere
ni school this a wow pay
die no field no
this a wow person
nimdie that's right
eti agene de edi kan no sa wo pese wo sikasem koyie sa wo pese adwuma bi a wo ye no sika afiri mu ba ne begina de edi kan ne se wo de hye wo tirim se wonso adwuma na wo ye no sika betimi sika na eba no ebetimi aboa mo wadi yie ene hu se wo betimi aye wo sombo wo hia se wo betu kwan se ma men gada $10,000 $20,000 na wo dia ma connection wo dia ma connection man se wo dia ma connection man se wo ma visa na fa ko Canada and na fa ko UK because wo nim se $10,000 so de nka betimi dia Ghana but wo nim die
that's right
$20,000 ka de wo betimi dia wo Ghana but wo nim die eti nim dia Bible aka se me man ninti wo mo yira hi power I don't know eti agene na sese yesesa no yesesa agene ne hu ye dia ene yesika no ye betimi ye
na ye die no so business im
ye die no business im
investment im
de business ni investment so ye be na dan
invest you can
business is business na ye buying and selling I say ye ton
ko dokube wo ye mponche wo be mobile money shop wo high wheelbarrow wo be telephone friends radio station wo fa nipa mo ma ye adwuma ma wo
enum na
wo hu sika every time bia no enum na ye die wo
enum na ye die wo
akatua na so no de en kan ye die no
okay repeat wo bi
akatua na so no say 100,000 na say 50,000 en kan ye die no
nurse say me obi ye adwuma e wo bi a corporate world and I say be a medical doctor and as na se bosome so ne etua ne ka 10,000 Ghana cedis and 20,000 Ghana cedis a enye num na yedie wo enye salary mu na yedie wo yedie ne wo he
de wa ye oje ni sika ne o china bi beba doctor na o kana sam se entua sika entua ne ka
bosome so ne entua ne ka woni ka problem
obi anu ha o ye ya o block ne kwan na wontimi nya ba bi mfa
okay nese usi kwan wa ho benya wa
bebre enti salary na wo je no ye but yet so much part of the structure of the word structure
nese sa wo ye wadwen say salary na wo je ne bosumi bia no e na wodi wani ato so say de yedie bebrewa e ye wrong mindset okay na emom no say salary ne ba na bia wo invest bia
that's it bia wo ha to what me aboabo sika no e de bia restaurant
okay yeah
e bia watimi dia wa advance bia up tipa track wo manage wo bia provision shop wo bia wa yezuo wo produce that's where the worth is
ehon sika no
yes not the first
me
lawyer and your mam scanty no
okay
because one kwa enye dey
emma e na wontimi kasa da bia wo twan amaboso me yaso abadia katua
that's right bia die ne yensia no nti obi a wodi ye bia no hu na wo block one
na wanam ha we see ha no kwa ha multiple na mo fa multiple streams of income
that's right
eti ye je bosomia katua na say we ye salary worker ti including mo amwo SOMPA ha nyina mo nsha no nso ye tua wo ka bosome no a say we di bisie na wo bu eno no na wo di eno koye business
eno na ho na ye di wo
ehon na yedie wo de wo de besie di akwakoye business no ena na emom se bosumi bia wo twen na atua wo ka bosumi ye atua wo ka no ehon de ye hia
wo so pesa when you break per salary increment
and you ntumi mu
e betima 1 million
still
onim ne ye de ya onye
so you work to receive a salary na waboaboa no wodi bi asi na say e ba me ni nyina because wodi bi sie na daache wakonya wo de na de wo benya de bi kura na say de wo e bi amomo e na wo ye ana say mobile money transaction ana say bi a wo de ye rentals ana say bi a wo de afa nkonya bi ana say bi a curtains bi ankrofo behind the ade nkonya bi na say wo de aye side business side business ni mu no a sika koba no e ho na wo ye die wo ana wo de tonsuo
that's it
hona wo yie die wo
sika
na ekọ na e ba no
every minute it is all your mobile sa no pay your account no obi afa scan to mu a wonyansi ye die kwa
naza anope wo sorry ya no
mobile money esu
obi an send sika bia na chese wonyansi ye die kwa so
how much are you paid was no ni abre anything ya ka se nya abrochire na edidi ye
enya abrochire na edidi ye
because abrochire ko ye adwuma na ye twa ka
yeah
but yedi obi a wachichire yedi no or system machine edisika
ebre no what about Darko ebimo epeska no na ebia okọ UK ana okọ Canada na okọ America na okọ France na wakoye adwuma because minimo bia okoye adwuma but na ne buta nso okọ peska na odi aba Ghana e dia bebi adwuma na oye carpenter ni oba na obebie ne carpentry shop because na aha no asa adwuma na eba no wontimi enya enti ono to him no otu kwan ko eba o man ho say me call for 4 years
okay
4 years no so ye no ene obebie a big carpentry shop ene o fa nipa adwuma ene say e run ene so
me ka je say no hia so beko
sa
yeah hia o say wo sha ase na say more den because the same hours na okoye no ho no
yeah
ko bisa ne say the volume of hours o de koye adwuma gidigidi no
yeah
bisa say na ono akasa kra ne system no
no ye ne sa
summary e bi kra the body na akasa kra start react
because o
pressing ho so much the same sika I can tell you say no or the same input no Ghana ha
and Kwabena
possibly in Kwabena. Wow. The other thing is that so have built different network. Wealth is not just adwuma keke but nipa hu
yeah
we so frame obi nipa be frame am go
Matthias yeah
was me here and found sika the better
yeah
a relationship the war build no me dwe sent na no wo hands na wo kono na na tosini to be say me kwa because all this kind of coin
yeah all this kind of coin
at least maybe 20 what
yeah be $10,000
ticket to coin yeah no ni me oya I can tell you say big one coin or that's right and obe build it sometimes even wo makre wo yiremo
yeah waja wo ho
sometimes wo timi ja wo ma 4 years wo mra no na nkora no ma pick bibia na
enye umpe
obu ase oba koy no kra no okoya oba na ware na ide
egu because egu ni pa be ware
so that idea that me kwa pick capital me just say capital no China for them no ba
omo fashion ma
they are taking a lot of money it's the same perception say sika obroni krom it explode the
na so rather could dey wo kan say China ni no oba ha woni kapre but o wa agini bi say sika o Ghana enti obepe bia ko ba Ghana ni nso wa agini bi say sika wo broni krom
enti obeko wo kura de ntina yeso otimi bae bebre ntimi ma bebre ntimi
enti eya agini no but eye wo say sika wo krom ha enti wo be yire ho a wo benya wo de but nam say wo wutim say sika wo abrofo krom enti wo bo say sika nya o na de ko
ene me duty ni say me convince say me nko
okay
me need time no kra say
yeah wo be me
pedi whose figures na no abrante ba ko was me say so me na me ye adwuma
yeah
bi wo kra me timi bobo sika na da bank me tie one of your videos na mo say sika na da bank na me timi dey attend bibre
wo betimi attend
was within a space
yeah
when you over 60 million Ghana cedis
wow
what Ghana here
to
ko India nkrofo na ko share no mama na credit containers bi wo kra na wo mama na ache so beto an o ye den
wow
the number of workers are wo so the wealth is in that
yeah
him for na ye adwuma ma wo nyuma se na wa bie structures ben wa
be odi na nyama ben na sisi
that's right kwa bia wonam so e build sa no ma no ekrom ya no de ye ni say because ye mfa nim de no emu odunu nhya ase
se yeah
eno ma ba yeso no ma ya ba mu
bu ampa
e ma ye kasa hweni ha me dwen say ye ntiase na ye nhedam build
be ye no
unim confidence unya American visa unim confidence unya
yeah
because you've been conditioned
say yeah we've been conditioned to say American visa obi okro bragi wo hwe bi American visa me ya ma me 5 years
adano kra visa na ma wona
yeah
on confidence at home
yeah
can you imagine the same confidence here
yeah ka wo the same confidence no who was say gidie no wo Ghana ha
that's right but because you are primary so wo de nye
and
ya wo nko a ye nyina wo so fu panyi no bo mpa ye passport so ma hu za na Togo de ka ho enso de bia ka wo shebre wo Togo bianca
e Nigeria he ya
but yeah your school here ama nkofo no mo colonize ye no krom no ye dwen se ye die den
ewo enti orobi na koi ebeye den na ya dwini se de wo kan because ne mrem pa wo hia brante anasa babawa a wo ye Ghana ni na se woni ne di nkomo a chese dodo na wa dwini bi wo mu tirim se krom hade wontimi nyeye dodo na wa dwini bi se krom hade chese obi e pevisa no de etukwan ena wo kan ye kwa asore kra mo amo pevisa no momra mo amo de mo document akono momra saa dwini na yenya wo ye tirim se wontimi niye ewa ha no na nanso so wrong propaganda atro as we have believed a lie we have been deceived ya dadaye kromo hasika wa ha wo sesa wa dwene na mo ani bere a wo benya wo de
that's right
you don't need to travel ye better ni asesa sa dwene no
bebia na wo ye
okay
tete na wo se de ababom ye ne ye wo mrante de bebere a wo bo so hia wa na ni age na no se minam kuma se wo se wo se mi so ben jesade de na mababu me ye ma eto fom kra na mdwe se mitimi nya biem ba me sha se metie no na me sanya akukuduro se mitima ye wo de na range rover kire me and store wasan ye wo patas ba bi sa
wow
me dwe se ye nsem na ye te no na be ma ye nya akukuduro se ye de no so ye na sebe de nti ankrofo no bebre wo se ye na bibi man na nkasa ankrofo no hia se be ye adwuma mo
yeah
na ye koso adwuma na wo fom no dodo no na wo se ye and was all program was be very easy some be ye se adwuma na mo
ye to o ma dam ya dwene
movies ni sa o mo trainings even in sorry kra no the foundational teachings na ankrofo no jaye no and one ya to aso so what you say and now sabi obi o person no ko na so person for japade there's no be kire ye die da
dabi
and ye na o se ye kira de foforo na ye nya akukuduro so we shall see na say from cry even sometimes we hear the way a buying adwuma mu or mo hear businesses so na dey behavior you can see if you're paying attention say indirectly any say encrofodie it's part of the structure we inherit here because other na mamini tifie no ye adwuma na o course o call okay no not if you come then obi amana we and the bashe na chi no ton provision shop na mrante be num so o ma ba se won tua bibi na ye be lock no obi adwuma mu na sa adwuma no mo fe kakra bi a onkrofo ya because enye wo na o mo ye nipa bone o a system now o mo inherit here no that system was designed not to create work for us
because adam ibusa me wo say eye den na obi didwa obi wo shop ketwa obi a wo pamade ebi a so ba ye no nipa na afi wo hye adwuma kora ase wo ye tailor ni wo tonade wo say wo ntua tax and I said, well, you take it to one chat. It's what to shop in. Now with the credit at one. And no, now with the toy, better than anybody else.
And to just what Timmy Croma was in a real who said by a bit my fan.
There's an hour would you be a ton of something to be and a human crime because your system no crano, a quay first what did you torno. And in such a one, and yes, I bet Ginny Pano.
The same thing I will invest at the Brofo, then won't as a grace, camera for the same structure. And the ancestors colonial structure na ho and says I also for friend to be preached that also bosi to botai now no me come off about koye so for bia bosi to botai it's the same structure and Sebe I hope so one day some of our leaders will pay attention to these things says our colonial business structure and regulations na okromu ha no emma ye ebema ye de na kodi a wo honsem
eyampa
cause ye ene ye kom
because unim adia ba so kra ye kas ye disika ho nkomo ye na hwe o man ne mo ye besan hwe individuals so adia ba so kra ndo a me so Obeng Darko esan edi enya when it comes to Ghana ni epese wo obi adwuma ana wo ye adwuma no kom kan no aban ministries the agencies ni ade no yetimi shed that target o yetimi shed that ye ni siw so ase ena me ka e adwene but say ye broni ebi na ebi a oba be ye omukọ ya ebi okro mu ntua tax na say yetimi the tax exemption ne eso ya ye hu ne de ya ye hu no so obi ye bibi wo ha na say yi nipa na yetimi boa no na ye tan de cha say nipa no kwa ye one mistake ase ye nyam
me catch us the foundation of the so-called tax experts it's the colonial
ajine that
the tax expert but when it is no
when the tete no
broni na tete no broni krom no your man nkrofo sika at a very cheap rate and you would in the same structure be miamia nkrofo a wo ma wo sika wo nyini da wo bank rate is na nkrofo tua ana o mukra na esa be chereche mo say why F why you England you almost structure basically so different from what we have.
Then today who can say abrofo structure and yet to implement if say yeah structure and say different.
No 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 TV go mo muska. Wo hwa na TV how maniska.
Debi
it is what me abomode anya kakra men ko hunahuna no. So antimi amane bia men monofom wo bre ansa na watimi apeja. But still, once the attitude na wodi animu no, sa basic understanding onya. Woni so into odwen se mra na ya hye into onya dan. Woni so. Because
they will can obi wa brochire no onya adwuma kra na otifia yetua neka. Why na o Ghana ha ye so otifia. Ye mani
biya na pese the same
na wodi adwuma. Obi wa mono ne no kwaje bosia interest rate in kra bi enu 1%. E bia 0.0 then 5%. Bi kra enu 1%. But how obi kwaje bosia e about 35%, 20%. Na sa nipa we wo man hye, wo nya hye man.
Now did the same
punishment
at the class school now international school they did the same marking scheme. Better pass it.
Debi enye
no one pass it. Brofo no kra wo kan kra won tiase. Me te story bi za kra no exam se da ho. Omo kan brofo no more explain brofo kra no tiase. Teacher no buy no kire no otwi. O ha na kra start him answer.
You are na se no what tiase.
The same people na person jom taxes. So what say o mo se a. Nka no man bi bro kra obenya no foforo. But abroni na otini kro mu no structure. And I will use you. It was unemployment. A hopa na be pie.
Okay.
Because nkrofo na be bia dwuma hyehyɛ nwuma na yafa nipa dwuma. Wo mo so hyehyɛ because on hyɛ dan tua won nkrofo no. Won ti wo masekura nti wo ma mo nyina ya abonefo. Enso no onye bone.
Onye bone.
What you say? It's a system that they left.
Yeah.
Sebeya wo mo no be nti bo say no ma be bro ha. Who Ghana ni crowd to be qualified?
Yeah.
Because of the requirements.
Aye dey Google akwamu. It who Ghana ni kwa fa wo enye
ye. Hwan na ye.
Enim so be na oman no na say ye hia mpanifo a omo be ye African consciousness.
That's it.
Ampa. We hia omo a more than European consciousness.
That's right.
Omo be nya African conscious. Omo be who say ye no ye different.
That's it.
Ye culture ye different.
Yeah.
Your system ye different. Ye den dan ye ho.
Yeah.
Ye business a me maame anasa me maame say no opamade e wo body. And na ye kofa otan ton bayire e wo fom.
Whoa.
Yes, na oton bayire wo body ho na wapamade enso. Eti ade pam na opam pieto no na ode aso aye. Na ye de ko. Ye fi school ba to bia na kofa bayire na ode ama ye. Ne ntimi se me pe business pa jadie pa manage ho. E da bia me ka se this way say me to bi odo me market ya. Me ba kra say me first business me ye this way. Me je ya na me dia ba.
Can go on this way.
As no me say na me radio presenter.
That's right.
But me can't news we are. Na makwa je sa chocolate drink no. Na me dia gu kem na me dia ba do me market ha. Eti na me wo kan ma be distribute to dia ma omo. Onim say me distribute ma ade chia ma be di misika.
Yeah.
Ebi wona obi ama 1 week. Sika na me nya free. Sa chocolate drink na me ton no. Na nya de bosome akatua ye de ma me because ebi wa me de sabre ne kwa na hu timi ye den ye timi to ye na no agye bi 1000 Ghana cedis e wonfa so next time usa akwafa 1000 Ghana enti buying and selling mu no sika me nya free mu no na nya bi ne de na bosome ye de ma me ba hu say ya dwene na kwa ye te say gise me kotena office na bosome so ye tua me ka na bosome so kwa ye tua me ka no ye nsantete ye say ye tua me ka bosome no me purpose ne say Messi sikani bi na me dia ye me dia.
That's right.
Eti sikani ba ya na edi ni nyina. Oh sikani ba enna de oye truck driver no, de oye taxi driver, de oye Uber driver no, ana de oton ade wo dwom no. Adwene be woni tirim se, sa adwuma we ye untimi fa nya ye.
Aba.
Adwuma we untimi fa nya ye.
Enye fe.
Me plumber na adwuma yi, Messi na adwuma me ntimi fa nya ye, bata ya atro. Messi na adwuma kro no a no, ubetimi dia ye ye. Enna sa plumber na adwuma na ubetimi dia ye. Obi a wo kan ne car because me papa no a driver.
Wow.
O kan wo be car de turn de na nya work and pay. Sabre no it wasn't work and pay. Onu ankasa sika na no onu nya no e de sie ya e de to 207.
Wow.
Enti me kan me papa no ta de metena front pa. Enti nya work and pay no de ye yo. Adwuma na no wo ye no because wono wanya mansam wono nsa. Enti sika na ye de manual. Do ode be hye oba ho ban no de bi asie. Eche hu ye no na odi nipa kwana ne kai ne de akoma na wato ne de.
That's right.
But it wasn't work and pay. But enne ye nche nkrofo sa de nti de obenya bia na wadi ne nyina. Taxi driver day no so a se bia enne wonya mfaso 50 cedis a 50 cities no who say mame fa mu half and 20 cities in to because at the end of the day and then the 20 cities to her we can inquire and me could be 120 Ghana cedis. 120 Ghana cedis multiplied by 4. So what I say, one of them almost 500 Ghana cedis. Now who be with the no. And now say who baby I would be question interest free more but and no na chesa who build your life by interest it is kind of 50 cities the idea 20 cities the idea 10 cities the idea
the party be say nisika be say empire bo and I say lotto
can we be who's nipa be break say
empire bo be say nisika sem
nipa be break empire bo na the
lotto bim so twa aviator so and is a one number aviator nam lotto woni
is how mo betting
education say won tisika say what do you say sika lack no it's a structure those are come papa say he had a structure me adwuma sika ne ba men say no what does say we a taxi driver uni obi a we a trotro mate uni obi a o so onya kakra de kwa sha o etu be double bra
untimi
oni no wi so there be it is a
kakra ba won sema na de no wi ana we enumre bia wonu monsa enumre bia auto prekonam ne eyi
sika no
shisika no
nti obi a wo shisika ne ba ne se bia do be do aye ontimi nyeye nti mo se wo so ogitum se sika no se besesa wa ankasa na besesa sika sem so you another law is the fact that you are taking responsibility of your own finances. You don't leave it.
Amra etoso biem say we take responsibility.
Full responsibility.
Usika ye die gina wo a wo so.
Men fan shenya mensa. And men fan shega na ban sa teni e me se men fan shenya mensa. Because usika ro na decided the other koye.
O se da we usika ye die gina wo so. Men fan shenya mensa.
Odware nyame na dware.
There be one odware.
O say ye ka bibia one of the things am I for usika sem nye ye no. They are not responsible for anything. Is it that the government or God?
Auntie, ni odi ni sikasem ye dia koma nyame. En wasa ni sikasem ye dia koma oman no.
Say ya broni sa oduru America ni sikasem be dey.
Ebeye but onu anim se obetimi aye bibi.
Ono na woso oje ne ho.
Ono na se so oje ne ho.
Your financial responsibility is in your hands.
Papa so oje ne ho be dey.
Financial freedom is in your hands. You are responsible.
Wo na se wo gitum say wo you responsible.
Yeah, this is what pomuden.
Yeah, what
you drink, what you eat.
Yeah, one kasa wasa there.
And this our system no shut it down. Don't blame anybody. What's your lifestyle? It's the same with money.
Sikaba won somebody na there.
Now there. Ti jitumuntem. So for it is a law. So why nyantum ba ko so the pension akoshe ayi or ko pension aban be hwe no.
Odi ni ye di akoshe pension mu.
This is the years ya be hwe no.
Sana na dwene ye no.
2D45 was started so planet. Men fan kwasha wo ma men fan kwasha aban. And only a backup.
All right.
It's not the main formula. So, and to me, you say, branch, I do say, my brother boy, me and I'm able, Namsika Semno, me and I'm Mrs. Sano. And not just all the BBC when so.
All right.
If I say, what the 20 years, I was a me 30, 40, I said, I was a bamisem, and I said, I was a minya. So, we could already 50. Wait, Mamma, on the next 3, 4, 5 years. A be a dear Kenyano, the actual was seno, what to 2 second basabasa, but the Akaka Kutano. Catch us the next 5, 10 years.
Yeah.
I will restructure.
Nessa, the what can I say? And found one say be a one mismanage you sika for a long time. Sabre and found baby. Fashion trim say, me baba dani me ho. Me be sisa. Kakraba min semwa me be yen shaya for fro. I bet me a boa me.
Sika na wasako.
Okay.
Sika buta sika tambia kuta obiano. Dodo no ana wasako ye bibi.
Okay.
Enti bisa won say de na metimi de sika yi. Obu avance o chera de car wo de kor wo kwa wo pake car no
ya won to biem
ne pay 5,000 and so no car na 150,000 week no so na sa ban tua ya na ho chire no
yeah
financially you are not being intelligent because o capital na de
o capital na wo car ni mu no
car no so nko ba bia ma o say wo de ye uber kra de ya nke be fa ne sa
yeah
enti ba bia wo de significant sika ko hye bia no must bring you money.
Baby, I would sika kesi akwakoshe bia no. Ese di sika brew. It is a car no mfa sika brew.
Na se so wo chan ketua.
Wo chan ketua.
Formula nenye.
Formula nenye.
No. Formula nenye. Well the okoto asase ato amasama be 10 years ni 50,000 show sa na only am everyone say. Langard for. And they do court.
Asase no so da.
Na wo chan ketua. Na asase ne da ho. Me enka be kwa kopade foforo ama sai sika ne diskaba
nese nka wo anka wo beton asase na diskaba na dia koye kopim se sika be bank kakra da chi wo ton
asase no na usi
una usi
ye nyanto ho
ane
ndi wo se wo hia for formula
Yo.
To be the formula de Kutani here for
you were here for formula. And you were sick for formula.
Here need to as I go I feel I got 10 blocks a guso.
And you're here for formula.
Then your mias is what me to us.
And you're here for formula. Now I just as
you lock your capital.
What local capital? No,
the same Sikan and Obi Tomkuto. Obi the Yegari. Obi the mobile money. Obi the 2 boho no chrome.
Wow.
Busumi be on your 5,000. Oh, dear no. What looking will come?
What looking will come?
Mobile phone. But I cross here and so tell you do where the adversary. Or could Dubai the other. So you have to give yourself target. If you are under 1,000 a month income.
A beer me fast our salary and 2,000 as I work from
unless I have 10,000.
10,000, yeah.
Also maybe 100,000 a month.
Okay.
Even based on that, how much are you able to save?
Say now we save
10,000 a month. We to save 100,000. We to save 10,000. How much are you able to save? And how much are you able to invest? Said that we investment also returning maybe 1,000, 10,000 will be an investment passively about 10,000 every month. When you hear it.
Onye hiani
oyo defo
ade na wo ye na
on sorry nkoma
10
busumi bia wo 10,000 won hia 50,000
won hia
100,000
won hia.
That's it.
Oyo defo
wa solve formula no
wa solve formula
so consider ombre o toka ombre on the school fees ombre won na nwunwi sika ho biem
ne se enya advisable say ehiafo formula no eye de okota asase no a ehiafo formula no eye de okota asase no a oni de odi besie adwuma no o twensa boso me beso na bia wanya 500 wose o me fa nko ye kakra batten kasa sika no a o ka me fa asase no cross o to no 20,000 enka o invest 20,000 no adwuma bi mu a adwuma no de sika bebre no kakra ansa no okosidan na waboabo eno ano a de bi akosidan no na emom no wakota asase no basika bia ni ho a
won say
wodi be firi akwakoye
dan na okosi no sika na wonya no mfimfini na ya fidie na yam sika no so oni ma fidie bia yam sika o sika sam ntoye da
kabiem se woni afidie yam sika
o sika sam ntoye
se wo kase ayi woni afidie ayi yam sika wo pa che se
e che se bibia o sika no komo a
na saba
eye adwuma sika na koye no ba mo than the odi koshim.
Oh, necessary. It's a machine.
That's an asset. That's an investment.
Okay.
To bu advance or nika bear 5. Or branch about nika bear 10. No, a teacher. Also, Miss Obeng every month be I'm 50,000 free. I don't know what to do with it.
Oh, nika
makuma 10.
Makuma 10.
And it to be our dear now.
A dear now.
Tinya the children and you.
No,
Sika. The children he has our bachelor Magana and Korana school.
No, Mom Sika free move banana. Can de katrotro my name no wunya a day sikana a month sikana what the year day a hono na ye kan no
if you ya muskadi wi ansa na kotoka ansa na koye wedding anniversary ansa na wosidan sare wo so ye
sana sese we
yes ata bia ro bo se na
ho kire wo asase ne da ho wo wuntimi nsi wo so da bia na ho kire wo
and obia betuma ye bibi
obia betimi ye bibi
everybody
because they work in the can some working. Can you imagine almost a say craft fufu or machine ya
be our fufu machine back
for grinding machine area me will be home pay fufu one corner massa lie it will man 5 cities not you but 5 cities say machine chrono
say every day opa business any pan
the onya na day
onya boso me say na onya the asema ye gan akwara akọ school won't we yase
onya
enti bo se tem bia oni sika sam ye
Mami bia wo ton fruit wo mi area me duro ho na me tokwadu ne anka ne ade me duro na mo say mami akoso we na me di ahwe nkwada afọ ni nyina o
what eh
baako yellow
where
baako nso wo nursing baako nso wo invest ne mafo o say fruit na wo ton sa fruit ne eduru ho a na wa to keka bo ma 50 cedis we uko we duru ho na wa to 20 cedis we duru ho na no an wa ye but ya kan say wo kona mu ho no enka kotonton fruit anka beka sa wonton
o da hwene ma
but eye bibia
to dey opa say akwara de be 20 years no more ka akwara no let's say 200,000
aya en wo de ahye san kwada afọ ni na by wo beka sa wo ye graduate wo kuta degree etu ntimi koton fruit eso fruit no bia du kona mu ha wo beto
value bia create society no bia ye nchew no betim bia die
ade bia wo be ya patcho repeat ho ni bi
value bia wo be ya nipa hia ye nchew nipa di sikaba so what is sika say na otimi tutu sika say bia eno aro no
ade bi a wo be ya entia mra a ye nchi wo no a wo benye sika afiri mu no e ya de papa
enye adwuma bone so
enye adwuma bone
ko abrochire ni adwuma mo ye bebre nka wontimi nye ne ha so mo ye
wo ho
nti wo ha mema wani
emma wani mu enwuma bi
dabi
enmi de be ko ton suo sei
ton
ensuo so da bi aye to
sa abrante ba kwa we school teacher me baba ko school Kumasi na me gina ho ana mami akara shede chisa na obaye I say when Obeng na me say ane I say me baba ko o teacher no hwe sa na me no ka say akoto praja so ko fa PK no wholesale amancrofo
okay
and within a year no timia save enough over 40,000 akoto ka
wow
sak ayi no bi ayi no praja no bi no aka sa kra frame me o say na me say sika mama dwen ko so me boska no ba no metimia to we and no or frame me not adena the 3 days I was wanya boska wanya ni din.
Wow.
So this is the formula right there.
What they are told?
No. What his can see?
Yeah.
What they way? 5. I don't know.
And Obeng kunim tie for me ka usa higher SOMPA 106.5 FM across SOMPA Rhapsody na wutie ne ye disika ho nkomo. Enti me ne owura Kwabena Obeng kuma me nua be ma ene wo hayi wo ye engineer o ye entrepreneur o ye obi a o ye author wa church nguma bebre na de enti a wo hia eni sika ho kyere haye no eni wo kyire mu de amaye ne ye nyina yetimi de yanamo SCCA Obeng ko se wo hwemu a ye kuro mu hanade haye ne ye se sika ne ba nipa ne nsemu a ekwan ye fa so save no yenim ena kwan ye fa so invest no so yenim me fa no se nipa no bosome so na se de wo kan ye ma na 1000 Ghana cedis 1000 no chese 1000 ni kuro medru na ne ho kyere no 1000 ni medru na wa bobosia dada wa bobosia efi se 1000 no emra no maji we 100 maji we 100 no de tuatua enti e ho no ye ne de because dodo no no sika na ba ne nsem no ohu ne se esua ohu ne se esua
me no ya adwen esua but woni abre a wo za de aye kai
fa ni brefo enya kwadefo woni mre ya wutimi
1000 emu enya ntoba ye kan de nani abre
wo pesika
wo pese ni
ono de ne ye kanya wo a wo pese wo kondo bibia wo todi
sa ena obi so ade obeka bia oyi anu
enya wo na ye hiamo ye pomo o mani abre
sister bi wo say asema make yi uduru ana sem fa ho twem
enne wo ma ye hu se ye kuro mu ha sika wa ha
yes madam
enne wo ma ye hu se ye problem no enye sika na mum e ya adwene enne wo ma ye hu se nipa bebre na agene se sika ni kuro mu ha nti no wo mu muska enne wo ma ye hu se nipa bebre wo madwuma wo mo ye no wo mo dwen se adwuma no sika no afiri mu ba na enye hye eti entimi wo mu niye wo ma ye hu se adwuma bia wo ye wo ha no so long as se eye legitimate no se adwuma no eye capable se bem wodi we are plumber we betimi adiye wo plumber na adwuma nim we are mason a we betimi adiye wo mason na adwuma nim we are truck driver taxi driver uber driver we betimi adiye na mom se wan sesa wa gene anhu ne sa de a we bepu adwuma na nim tia ummu adwuma no ene wasam ye hu se sika bia beba wo nsam bia na menka se we de eye sika ketwa busa sika no 1 cedi ye sika 2 cedi ye sika ena de etoso biem wo ye hu se wo ye adwuma wo baabi ne wakatua ni so a enye complaining enye nagging de sese wo ye ne se baabi a me ye adwuma ne ampa magia tum ya ma me 1000 nso me ya ma me 2000 nso me eti me next strategy ne sai e de na me ye adwuma foforo be na me pede aka ho e de na me ye be ma manya more se de be ye se 2000 ne kran so me a me mu ne mom wo nya ho hye ba wo so da ho na wo bo game wo so na di nkomo wo dey complaining and your salary nya na de na why dey afa ho
ba ko so di sofo o your assistant one pie no wa ba when you
adwuma no ye be ba be bomb pie no so aka
wa ko obi ba betra ho se wo di sofo onya adwuma
okay enu so ye issue
me 500
enu so ye issue
woni be bra ma wore na gu
enu so ye issue
wo kwa nya kakra wo nya me kra me nya asem
wo ye so assistant pastor
and ye was a group ni se pa mo do so
ampa wakofo bi ba kwa ware no
wo dem pa bo na se sika sem wa anya collection wo bo wo the collection ni ma ho ma ho akoye ade foforo ka
e ti da wo kan se wo de bompa ne nemum ye adwuma no o de ya kan bi no because it na wo de two ye nim say wo sika hyebre wo sika da chikutaw enti sore suakwa abefa so onye sika ne sika no so ba wo nsɛm mu asua kwa befa so atoto ne yie na edi bebre abrew memfa wo sika hye bre nkoma nyame
dabi
ɛna memfa nkoma aban
no
what take your destiny into your own hands adwuma bi a wo ye bia fa hye wo tim sɛ adwuma no ɛyɛ adwuma papa so long as I enye ekwan bone so no de na adwuma no betimi de ye di abrew sɛ ye 1 cedi na de ma wo ye 2 cedis na de ma wo wo toto ne yie a ebaba be ye 10 cedis wo toto 10 cedis ne yie a ebaba be ye 50 cedis dan cheme do beba na wo ba be kire ye kwan be fa so atoto no
okay
because ehonim de no enso lake pa bebre na wo hu a aba ampapo so me so ye no wanya ne 5000 what the 2000 at all and all the 1000 at all and pa afini kwa wie no watimi aka bomu anya be 10000 bi but onhu de won fanye
wow
yes ebi mu de tesa menye sika bi da ho me de akwakoto bank but me pese me de bi ba me nim de me ya oh eti sa money machine na wo ka ho asem
that's right
sa machine no a dan multiply sika no esa da chi bi wo be kire sa money machine no
yes madam
na eti me bua fi se show you dem me ne wa na ayo so Paul Rhapsody there so long me wa just say me wa because we nim die no enye sika mu nko a business mu so ankasa wo nim die wom eba adansie kwan fa so si dan eno so wo nim die wom enna say wo enwoma suamu wo nim die wom abrabom wo nim die wom just say we all round me for the trinity efie nyansa wom
wow
book nyansa wom enna huhum nyansa nso wom enye huhum
opesa o rekoshe ho
e be ka kra bata ho
problem
okay
and they said so wow you go sorry morning devotion yes sigano so morning devotion na sa pay bibi so every day
okay na say yemfa ncheche yema no mpo ofie
every day constant
all right
so so be free ya
assassin
you scatter bia mboa
you scatter bia
say nim dia no so pen bia
wow
enti utia agro no kakra we be so book bia na we dey na
kan
bibia
utimi kan kra tie
go phone so
na utie
constantly
say kra we Facebook live you call Facebook live SOMPA we betimi akọ all the time as akotie
yeah ma osika sem na totoye na I can tell you say obi an sika sem totoye bia no ha owi asese
debi
sorry I would say ageni different
yeah
peace is different prosperity is peace
yedie sika mu yedie
it is a sebe botomunya asumje no ya
na wesa wo yire kra kasa ho na me wo wo kunu kasa because sika ni ho
sa ohia ya dambo no omomo awo
na wo say mre bi na me kasa wo hia ntina wo babo plate na wo bu na
no enga na zo kotofro
ega plate ye onko no obi bu ne ba adan a wo babo plate obi say ne ba fa ne 1 cedi eti wo channel nsa ba ko afiri oh yes afa ne 1 cedi nti wo channel nsa hia na nka hia wa enka 1 cedi ka obaba fa 1 cedi amade sika cha wo chanensa adan ne ba fa ne 1 cedi hia ne ho kire no eti se o yehu eti sika semu nim de yesem mu ntie o because entina da bia na wo bu ofu no da bia wo obi a wanya sika sen wana ne ho ye wahi obi kresisi ne ho yi ana asa wo tan no because wo ni bi enti enye se nipa no nko chen wo but nipa no wo sika mu nim de chen enuntia enna enhia se ye be wo wasi biposo ye wo to amena mu mpo na sa wo toto ne ma yie wonya systems a wo beba begina bepo no so bi
enti we are brand here 20 years
yes
eno ma ye kan usua na onya botra
oh yes
woni 40
na wo wabra boss sa
ma me ba kwa na okasa na wonte no wo se ne bra ba kwa abrochire and what did you know maybe buy
okay
on so tia normal way nyagro so it's the same
information
ekuta na advantage
and
it's not necessarily say we call baby fufu